Welcome back. I'll be taking you through how to set up warehouse under inventory management. Click on inventory management, click on setup, click on warehouse. At the top right corner, the first button is to upload multiple warehouse. The next button is to download templates to download the Excel file, populate the required information, and go to choose file. Select the file that you have populated and saved in your documents, then click on upload. And the next button is the plus button. To add a single warehouse, click on the add button, enter the required information, and then click save. And the next button is your delete button. To delete warehouse, select the checkbox that you want to delete, then click on delete. And to search for any warehouse, type the name of this warehouse in the search box, and this will automatically pop up. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in our next video.